Welcome to Newsela. This is a program that provides teachers with over 1,000 current event articles scaled at 5 different Lexile reading comprehension levels. You can find it at newsela.com, or you can link to it from our high school library website page. When you come to the site, the home page will give you the latest and most current articles. We're just going to look at an example of an article. There's always a picture. It will let you know what topic this article falls under. It will give you the date that it was published, and then this is how many people have liked this particular article. There's a couple different examples here: kids, money, law, science. There's several different topic areas that the articles will fall under. You're definitely going to want to sign up to use Newsela. The features are not fully accessible unless you are signed up with an account. It is free unless you decide to do the Newsela Pro, but our school's using the free feature, the free option in this site. So I'm going to sign in. And this is what my account looks like when I pull it up. And we're going to take a look at this first article. Let's say I've decided to use the article on Hurricane Matthew. You click on the article, and we can see it falls under the heading of money, and it's by the Associated Press, and the date it was written was October 10th, 2016, so it's very current. In the form that the article is right now, it's at a grade level 8, and the word count is 923 words. This is a look at the article. Now let's say you would like to modify this article to use in your class, and you have students reading at different levels. You could select 460 Lexile level. You'll notice that it changes it to a grade level of 2, and the word count is 247 words. So it minimized the words in the article. 960 gives us a grade level of 6. The maximum grade level would be a 12th grade reading level. We have a little more information on the authors of the article. The word count has been increased. Now, if you would like to have your students use Newsela online, you would create accounts for them. And after they read the article, they can take a quiz. And you'll see the quiz on the right-hand side. Now, this quiz will be modified along with the reading levels. Once they take several quizzes, Newsela will automatically put them into the proper reading level. So they log in, you have their article assigned, and it will be at their just right reading level. I'm going to go back. There's also a write option. It will give you a writing prompt based on this article if you choose to use that. You can also change the article to Spanish and vary the reading levels in Spanish. So I'm going to click back to English. And let's say you would rather just print the articles for your students. You would have to go in manually and change the reading levels for each student and then print. And the quiz appears at the end of the printed page. So again, it's not going to help modify their reading levels within the program, but if you choose to use it this way, it works very nicely as well. Now, if you click on library, it's going to show you all the archived libraries in the articles in the system. You can see all the different topics that are available. There's primary sources that you can choose from, biographies, famous speeches, and all of these will have the same options as the articles. You can narrow your choices and search by grade level, reading standard. I'm going to go ahead and click on this U.S. history speeches. It's taking a second to load that one. So you'll see this is a primary source, but we can change the Lexile levels. There's a quiz, there's a writing prompt. This one is not available in Spanish. Not all of them are. but it does have these other features. And I think there is a feature where you can search by Spanish as well. News, this is going to give the most current event type articles. The topics are listed under this bar here: opinion, war and peace. You can read through those, and there is a link here to find the ones that appear in Spanish. That is just a very basic introduction to Newsela. I'm going to create a second and third video on how to add a class and how to create text sets.